Illegal parking detection utilizes DDA vehicle detection technology to identify and promptly alert when a vehicle remains in a designated area beyond a predefined time limit, such as blocking emergency exits, stopping in fire lanes, occupying loading zones, or parking in no parking areas.
Let's set it up. Open the illegal parking screen on the NVR. Select a camera that supports this analytics feature. Enable the function and draw the detection area. Here, we can define the minimum and maximum object size for both two-wheel and four-wheel vehicles. In addition, we can specify whether the detection should apply to two-wheel vehicles, four-wheel vehicles, or both. The time threshold is the most important parameter, as it defines how long an object must continuously remain inside the detection area. The system maintains a virtual timer for each detected object, counting the seconds it stays within the area and triggering a response only once that timer reaches the defined threshold. Let's set the time threshold to 15 seconds and configure the response to trigger a full screen pop-up and a push notification. Now let's move on to testing. Please focus on the lower right screen of the NVR. You can see several attempts to trigger this analytics. However, the first two attempts did not activate the event because the vehicle remained in the detection area for less than the configured 15-second threshold. Once the vehicle stays in the detection area for longer than 15 seconds, the rule turns red, a full screen pop-up appears, and a push notification is sent to our application.
Searching for illegal parking events in the CAM2 application is very similar to the loitering event search we covered earlier. The only difference is that you need to select Vehicle. And in the type list, choose the illegal parking detection.